Welcome, today we're going to show you how to create a Turnitin account and is it actually possible. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually open the Turnitin website and you will see that when you click on create and you will see that if you are a new user you need to click on new user as you from here and it will redirect you to this website. So you need to choose if you are a student, teaching assistant or instructor. So if you are not one of these and you don't have a class ID, Turnitin won't let you actually make an account. The reason a class ID is needed is because Turnitin is not really meant to be a public sign-up platform. It is mainly built for schools, colleges, universities, and instructors. Students usually only get access when an instructor sets up a class. So the instructor will normally provide two things: the class ID and the enrollment key. In some cases, the school also allow access through SSO, which is basically signing in using your school email through the school system. So what you can do instead is to contact your instructor or your school and ask whether they can give you the class ID and enrollment key. If you are not a student or don't have access to any of these things that we already said, it's unfortunate, but you can't actually just create an account using Turnitin. So that's it, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.